Hey everybody! Today is a good day. Number one, my car is fixed. My husband is about to pick up the car. Tons of money. You cannot imagine what everything that had to be fixed. Second, Oriflame package came today. First order of this campaign, and I ordered a lot of stuff because actually the catalog is so good. Have to make sure I'm hydrated. And I just wanted to take you with me to the haul of all the products that I've got. So let's start. I've got one bag. I love these bags. This is the size medium. I think it's around, I don't know, 20 cents or something like that. But it says reach your happy place, and I just love it when we have like customer orders and I just put them in there. So very easy. Don't have to think about where I'm going to pack all the stuff. So let's move on. The new scent, Infinita, My Sunshine. The summer scent. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Very fruity with ylang ylang. Can't wait to use it. Just launched, and I just saw the description of this perfume and I thought I need to have this. This is actually, you know, summer pure, good vibes, good feeling. So I had to get this one. I'm going to try that out. So next would be for all the ladies who are trying to, you know, have like beautiful summer legs, for instance. I've got this anti-cellulite body gel. Firms and smoothens skin, reduces the appearance of cellulite. So I'm going to use this one because this is actually one of the products that we're going to promote in our wellness group, along with this fella here, because it's always very good that you massage your thighs, legs, arms, whatever. So I want to try that out and show you the results as soon as possible. I think it's actually on sale, both of them. Everything, most of them is actually in the catalog, right? So, what I forgot, this perfume, if you buy this perfume on the catalog, you get this mascara for around €3. Yeah, $2.99, which is normally around €20. So this is the Tremendous Mascara in this set. So basically you save tons of money. Of course I got this. Next would be hair mask, conditioner. I can't speak enough of our hair care. I love hair care. I love the hair products. The Duology range is one of the best I've ever tried. It's so affordable. It makes your hair soft, shiny, glowy, anything you can imagine. This is one of the top sellers to my customers because, you know, they had to convince themselves and they are so happy with their hair. So these two products, ran out of it. Yeah, ran out of it and had to get it. So next would be, I grabbed this set that was actually on sale in the catalog, deodorant, foot cream, and a hand cream. I think it was like around 10, 11 euros maybe. Perfectly for on-the-go hand lotion. You can put it into your purse, deodorant as usual. And the foot cream is with tea tree and peppermint, so it has like a cooling effect. Awesome. Next would be, you know, literally I buy everything with Oriflame. I just buy it because, first of all, I'm pretty lazy. I don't like it to go to the store and grab all the stuff and whatever. And secondly, when I buy the stuff with Oriflame, I fill my own pockets. It's good for my business, you know. I have to stand behind my business. So literally I buy everything. So here we got toothpaste for my husband and for me. There's also like a whitening toothpaste cream that I have somewhere, and toothpaste for the kids. They love it. This is strawberry. They all love it, all three of them. So I can never run out of these. Next would be, oh, I've got some goodies because it's almost my daughter's birthday and she wants a basket full with makeup and all this stuff and wants products from Oriflame. So this is actually what she wished for, you cannot imagine. So I've been starting to buy some stuff. I've got like this fragrance mist because it's natural, it's not like a strong perfume that she needs. And this is with apricot and oat, then a wild blueberry cream. This is a multi-purpose balm. She can use it for anything, for skin, body, whatever. A nail polish, which is actually on sale. So these little things I have bought for her. Then concealer. Guys, you know how much I love this concealer. I use it all the time because it's one of the best products against tired eyes. If you want to look fresh, you cannot miss this concealer. Of course, on sale. This has been launched as well in this campaign, our new lip gloss, Hydrating Shine. So it gives like the pumping hydration to your lips. Can you see how pumped these lips look like? So these are available in 4 different colors. And I think I've ordered another one already. This is Blushing Rose. Love it. I cannot have enough of these. So I've got the Lash Iconic Mascara because you get to choose between, let's say, 4 or 5 products to save shipping. Okay, so if you are a brand partner, we do have to pay shipping because we do have a lot of other benefits as a partner, you know. And but we get to choose, as well as our customers. If you put one of these products into your basket, you get free shipping. So that's why I bought this one, because I never have enough of mascara. So I can't wait to try out this one. Next would be some products I have never tried before. This is the Jordani Gold CC Cream with SPF 30. So I can't wait to try out this one. I have seen great results with this one. As you know, Jordani Gold is our luxury range with Oriflame. So, oh, it smells gorgeous. I can't wait to try it out. Then I've got the Eternal Glow lipstick from Jordani Gold. The last time I have bought this one here and showed it in a reel, and I was so impressed how smooth and soft this lipstick is, and it was so heavy, so, you know, high quality, and that's why I bought this this is Eternal Glow in gold. It's just, it looks so nice, and also so heavy in this color. So basically, it also had like a little design on it. Very simple, smells gorgeous, and I can't wait to try it out with you. So 2 more products, because if you order over 35 euros, you get 1 product of the catalog 50% off. Okay, this is a huge deal. So and it only applies to your first order. Okay, so you have to make sure that you find a good product where you say, okay, actually at the moment this is not in budget, but you can afford it because you save 50%. So I've got this one, the Signature perfume for her. Very nice. I love the design because you can actually take this frame off and put a picture in it. You know, you can use it like a picture frame. I love it. I haven't tried it out yet because I used some other perfumes, and after a while I just get a headache. So the last one I bought because of the design. Cleopatra, you know, is like, an iconic, you know. I just saw the picture and I had to get the possess just because of the design. And for all the history people who don't know, is that Cleopatra ended her life by herself by getting bitten by a snake. I hope that was right. So this is actually the design. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a very strong perfume. Probably this would be something I would wear maybe in fall or in winter time, I think. But the design is just awesome, and I just had to get it. Don't tell anyone, okay? And don't judge. So basically, that's it. That's it for my first order. I already have placed another order, and I will place another order again because I have some custom orders. If you are interested in checking out the catalog, then just comment with catalog below this video. I wanted to say story, but I mean video. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions to the product, let me know as usual, and have a lovely afternoon. Bye.